you have a frequent problem with cabinet doors like these? Every time I close this cabinet, one of these doors overlap the other one. And then I have to use force to put this door to its place. A quick way to know which hinge is the problem is to check this cabinet door sides. As you can see right here at the bottom, cabinet door side is aligned with the cabinet itself. But as we are going up, you can see right here the cabinet door has moved itself to the left. And when we open these doors, as you can see, everything is a little bit wiggly. That means that this hinge is the problem. This one is pretty tight. Now on this type of hinge we can do two adjustments. First, we can adjust this back screw right here, which moves this cabinet door away or closer to the cabinet. It usually should be closer to the cabinet like this. And we can adjust this front screw, which moves, you can see it right here on this edge. This front screw moves the door left or right to the cabinet. But first, right here, we will make these two screws really tight. Alright, once this is tight, now we can adjust the back and the front screw. With a little bit of this adjustment to the back, and with a little bit adjustment left and right, just a little bit. Let's check it. Nice. It's almost there. Now the right door is a little bit higher than the left one, but this line is almost perfect right here. So we need to put this right door a little bit more down. That one we will do with this front screw. There you have it. Almost a perfect straight line here on top and almost a perfect straight line down. Now both of these doors work perfectly fine. No more overlapping, no more hitting each other. There you have it, guys. As always, quick, simple, effective repair. Hope you found this video useful. See you in the next one.